Dear kids, let's learn classroom items. Cloth,
cloth,
book,
book,
notebook,
notebook,
pen,
pen,
pencil,
pencil,
eraser,
eraser,
sharpener,
sharpener,
scissor,
scissor,
color pencil,
color pencil,
crayons,
crayons,
glue,
glue,
tape,
tape,
ruler,
ruler,
pencil case,
pencil case,
desk,
desk,
chair,
chair,
blackboard,
blackboard,
school bag,
school bag,
whiteboard,
whiteboard,
marker,
marker,
highlighter,
highlighter,
stapler,
stapler,
paper clips,
paper clips,
sticky notes,
sticky notes,
homework,
homework,
teacher,
teacher,
student,
student,
board marker,
board marker,
duster,
duster,
calculator,
calculator.